Hey everyone, enjoy the show. From Mantiques Network, how are you? Getting ready to get out of here tomorrow morning and spend a fantastic weekend with my beautiful daughters and my family RVing it this weekend up in Hollister. This is for all you cigar lovers out there. This is a beautiful tin sign, embossed in great condition. It is 35.5 inches long. Just in beautiful condition. Again, easy for me to say. This came from the San Jose collection. So if you are into great signs or you're a cigar person, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.